For today's video, we will answer a math challenge given by one of our followers. And here's the question. If a plus b plus c equals 2, b plus c plus d equals -1, c plus d plus a equals 5, and d plus a plus b equals -3, then our goal is to solve for the value of a, b, c, and d. You can pause this video if you want to give this problem a try. And now, let's answer this question together. Alright, so given this 4 equation, our goal is to solve for the values of A, the value of B, the value of C, and the value of D. So given this 4 equation, to answer this question, what we're going to do is first to observe the given equation. Notice that we have 3 A's. We have 1 here. We also have 1 here and 1 on the 4th equation. Also, we have 3B. We have 1, we have 2, and we have 3. Same thing as C and D. They are all equal to 3. So what we're going to do is, why not add this 4 equation? And if we do that, we get 3A plus 3B plus 3C plus 3D. And it must be equal to 2 minus 1 plus 5 minus 3. So this will give us 3A plus 3B plus 3C plus 3D equals 3. Now, let's focus on the left side of our equation. Notice that we have a common factor of 3. So why not factor out 3? This looks something like this. So we have 3 multiplied by A plus B plus C plus D equals 3. Now, to solve for the value of A plus B plus C plus D, let's divide both sides by 3. This will give us the value of A plus B plus C plus D equals 1. Now, let's focus first on this result. And then, let's use the first equation. Take note that we have given that A plus B plus C equals 2. And on the result that we have here A plus B plus C. And we know this is equal to 2 based on our first equation. So we can replace this by 2. So the resulting equation must be equal to 2 plus D equals 1. The reason is we know for sure that A plus B plus C must be equal to 2. So now we can now solve for the value of D. So what we're going to do is to subtract 2 on both sides. And then 1 minus 2 will give us -1. And that is the value of the variable D. Alright, so we now have the value for D, which is -1. Now let's use the second equation. The second equation tells us that B plus C plus D equals -1. Now, on the resulting equation a while ago, we know for sure that B plus C plus D must be equal to -1 according to the second equation. So we can replace this as -1. This result to A minus 1 equals 1. We can now solve for the value of A. Just add 1 on both sides. So this will give us the value of A as 1 plus 1, or simply equal to 2. And now we have the value of A. So A must be equal to 2. Now let's have the third equation that says that C plus D plus A equals 5. On the resulting equation, we have here C plus D plus A. So we can replace this by 5. So the resulting equation now becomes B plus 5 equals 1. Now we can now solve for the value of B. Just subtract 5 on both sides. So B must be equal to 1 minus 5, and 1 minus 5 will give us -4. So we have the value of B. We have -4. And for the last time, we use the fourth equation to solve for the value of C. Because take note that D plus A plus B must be equal to -3 according to the fourth equation. Now, on the resulting equation, we have A plus B. We have A plus B right here. And we also have D. So we can say that C minus 3 must be equal to 1. So we can now find the value of C. Just add 3 on both sides. And C must be equal to 3 plus 1 or 1 plus 3, and this will give us the value of 4. Therefore, we have the value of C, and technically, we have the values for A, for B, for C, and for D. Therefore, if A plus B plus C equals to 2, B plus C plus D equals to -1, C plus D plus A equals 5, D plus A plus B equals -3, then the value of A is 2, the value of B is -4, the value of C is 4, and the value of D is -1. And as always, we are done.